Okay, let's look at the question first. Dexter, which is a person, has $27 more than Asher, another person. So after Asher gave $6 to Dexter, Dexter has four times as much money as Asher. So what was the amount of money Asher had in the end? All right. So if you want to try this question, pause the video because in a while I will actually go through the steps as well as the answer. Okay. So how do you solve this? Well, first of all, let's create a variable for both the person, what Asher and Dexter, what and the amount of money that they have initially, which is at the beginning. Then, using what we find in the question, right, set up our equation. Okay. So the first thing that we notice is Dexter has $27 more than Asher. All right. So Dexter, okay, is equal to Asher plus 27 because Dexter has more. So Asher plus $27 more. Then the next statement is after Asher gives $6 to Dexter. So $6. So Asher subtract 6 because give $6. All right. But of course, once this is done, Dexter would plus $6, right? Because Asher gives to Dexter, so Dexter will receive get $6. So Dexter have four times as much money as Asher. All right. So basically, what it means that based on this, so now Dexter, right, has four times the money of Asher. So times four. So Asher needs to multiply four times what to reach Dexter's amount. Okay. Then substitute uh, the equation. Right. Substitute the equation. Which equation? Well, we have the D equation over here, and you have a D over here. So put the A plus 27 inside here. Then you have the plus 6, 4, okay, times which multiply, all right, A minus 6. Okay, so if you open up the bracket here, all right, you have 27 plus 6, which is get 33. Right, then you take the 4, multiply the brackets, you have 4A, then minus 24. You see that? So you actually end up with this one. Okay. Now you can see the A on this side, numbers on this side, well, whichever you put. Okay, so I can move the A over to this side, right, to the right hand side. So 4A minus 3, then the minus 24 move over to the other side, plus 24. Right, so if I add 33 with 24, I get 57. And of course, 4A minus A, I get 3A. Now I can divide, right? So to find A, 57 divide 3. So I get 19. So A now is 19. So A is the amount of money Asher initially had. So Asher initially had 19. But now the question is not what Asher has in the beginning, is what Asher has in the end. All right, what Asher has in the end. So basically, Asher has 19, but remember, Asher actually gave $6 to Dexter. All right, so subtract 6, left 13. So therefore, Asher in the end has $13.